Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center in New York City is one of the world's largest institutions devoted to exceptional patient care, innovative research, and outstanding educational programs.
Given that there's so much data in many publications nowadays, the methods used to create those data, of course, are not usually represented in full in papers. And so it is very difficult to retrace all the exact steps, particularly those very technical, detailed steps to actually create data. That's just not in publications for the most part.
My field of research is molecular imaging. I'm a big believer in that an image does speak 1,000 words. A video speaks 10,000 words. So if we want to get over many of the concepts that we do in molecular imaging, the ability to do this in an image, or in particular moving image, I think is not just going to advance our field, but it's going to advance our research at MSK, and it's just going to help cancer in general.
What JoVE's goal is to provide ability to actually do research. It provides video instruction on methodology, as well as, of course, written instruction with references and so forth. So it's tremendously helpful to promote research because it's providing labs throughout the world with the ability to actually, utilize those methods for research. One major benefit of JoVE is that it's ultimately educational. It's a way to educate oneself and one's lab about techniques and methods. And there are very few opportunities to learn some of these methods, particularly when you're not in that field.
The one thing that the JoVE publications have also allowed us to do is generate a SOP, a standard operating procedure, in order to do some of these techniques. It's not just us disseminating these operating procedures to other labs, but then we can use them as an archive within our own lab for when new people are brought on board. In many respects, the video publications we have with JoVE have actually helped us train people in other laboratories. It's been commonplace that we've had people fly from the United States or even from across the world to my lab to learn a particular technique. What the video publications have allowed us to do is to teach them remotely on how to do some of these techniques.
It's helpful for people to know that our lab is actually expert in those techniques, and that to provide that information to others, and also for us to cite the JoVE article to say, this is actually an established technique, it's been peer-reviewed, and it's publicly available, and it just adds a little bit more authority to actually our own methods in our publications as well.
Having these papers in JoVE has really helped us disseminate our research to other groups, and it's about the accessibility. A lot of people have asked us for many years how we do certain things, and the ability to give them the JoVE link and give them the video has really helped spread these techniques and this technology to other labs that previously we didn't think was possible.
So I think regardless if you're an author or publishes in JoVE or someone that uses it, we're all the same community of scientists that want to learn and utilize techniques and educate ourselves on these techniques.